Okay, so make sure you've got a nice bit of space around you as well. We're not going to be going too far forwards and back, but just to the side is a good idea. So, a huge welcome. What I'm going to do and how we break this down is I teach you the first 8 counts, or I'll show you what we're going to do, and then we'll break it down, okay? So, the first 8 counts are going to go like this. We're actually going to start in this position, okay? The first counts go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So really simple. Okay, let's break that down. We're starting off with the arms, okay? So don't worry too much about the feet first of all. The arms, you've got your left arm out, and then you sort of hinge your left arm in and you stick your right arm out. So that is a really basic move that you're just hinging your left arm in and then your right arm out, and then your right comes in with your left. Now, the second thing you can consider is, if you want to add a bit more flavour, start to move your arms from the shoulders. So you're moving your arm with the shoulder and moving it out to the sides, moving it in with the shoulder and moving it out to the sides. This is really called a side shoulder curl, right? So that adds a nice bit of flavour. The next little thing you can do is really start to move your waist from your hips. So if you isolate your hips, as you've got your left arm sticking out, really lean over to the right side. As you come into the centre, switch. So you're really leaning over to the left side, you've got your right arm out, okay? So you've really got a nice bit of movement in the top half of your body, from your shoulders, your hips, as well as your arms. So just have a real good play with that and just relax and enjoy that. So, as well as that, we've got the feet. So your feet are really simple and they just follow the direction of your arms. So as we've got our left arm out, we have our left foot out. We step into the centre as we come in, and we step out to the right with our right foot. Then we go out in the middle and then out to the side. And it's that simple, okay? So we're going to do 4 of these, repeat, for your first 8 counts. So let's try that together. From your left side out, here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, step in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Let's try that one more time, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, excellent. Your second 8 counts go like this. So, as we come in from the middle, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the idea with this bit is I want you to really contrast between having quite sharp movements for the first 4 counts and then quite fluid movements for those second 4 counts, right? Just bear that in mind when we're doing this. So, we're here on our left side. The arms we'll start with again. Your left arm goes up, nice and straight, with your right arm down by the side. Then you swap, and then you swap again. And then, by the time you've swapped that 3rd time, you should have transferred your weight over to your left side. So you've got a nice left lunge. So you've got your left leg bent and your right leg nice and straight. So that's your finishing position. Then you wait for count 4. So you just stay there. So let's try that from our final position of our last 8. And we're going to go left arm up, and left arm up. That simple. So nice and sharp. The other thing to think about, to make this move look a little bit cooler, try and move your arms with your shoulders. So you've just got a little bit of flex as well up at the top there. Nice one. So that's your first 4 counts. The next ones, we're going to step tap. So you step on your right foot and you tap with your left. Then you step on your left and you tap with your right. So with this bit, as I say, try and make it nice and fluid. So as you step on your right foot and tap on your left, really put your weight out to your right hip. And then swap your weight on your hips as well as swapping your feet. So you've got a nice fluid movement. The idea is that's where Lipa starts singing. So it's kind of got that feminine flavour. All right. So let's go from here, from our 3rd count, and then we wait for count 4, then we step tap for count 5. And while we do that, I want you to have your your right arm in front as your left foot is out, and then you simply swap. As you swap feet, really scoot that down, arm down, and then swing back up so it's nice and solid across you. All right, so let's try that from this section, that second count of 8. So we go arm switch, 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 wait, step, tap, step, tap. Nice one. Let's do that 2 more times. Here we go. Switch, 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 wait, step, tap, step, tap. Let's do it one more time. And switch, 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 wait, step, tap, step, tap. Nice one. So the third 8 counts. It's going to go like this. I'll show you, then we'll break it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're actually going to do that twice. So you're kind of learning 1-8 and we're going to repeat it. So let's go from the, let's just get the feet right. So your first move is you've just simply got to step out to the side starting on your right foot. So you step out to the side, left foot, step in left, right, then do it again, step, right, left, right. Nice one. So the feet are really easy again. The arms, dead easy to start with. So when you step on your right, I want you to have your hands kind of at this position. And as you step out to the left, they're down by your hips. And then you swing back up as you bring your feet together, and then it's just out to the side again with the other leg. So that's nice and easy. The next bit, I'm going to start with the harder version. There is an easier version. So the harder version, but it looks better because it goes along with the rhythm in the track. We're going to go 5 and 6. Okay, so let's just break that down. So we're starting here. We put our left arm down with our right arm up for 5. Then you swap your hands for and then you're out for 6. So you've got your left arm out, nice and strong, wicked. And then you swap, you bring your right in, swap, then you swap again, and then you've got your right arm out. So it's the same thing, but just on opposite sides. So we're going to repeat that. Here we go. We go down for 5 and out for 6. Then we go down for 7 and out for 8. One more time. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. Wicked. So let's do all of that 8 together, starting on our right foot with our out step. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. It's looking good. To make it look even better, a really nice contrast is have a nice sort of bounce in your knees as you're doing this side step, and then really static and look at the front. 5 and 6, so it's got a real nice sharpness to it. And then that adds a nice little bit of dynamic as well. So let's try that. Here we go. 7, 8. Step to the side, step to the side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, step to the side, step to the side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Fabulous. Right. That's it, guys. It's dead easy, right? So let's try it all without the music from the very beginning. So from our left lunge. Okay, so we're going to step to the side. Here we go. 7, 8. Step into the side, into the side, into the side. In arm switch. Left, right, left, and wait. Step, tap, step, tap. Step out to the side, out to the side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Again, step to the side, step to the side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Wicked, it's looking amazing. Right, we are going to do it with the music. So have a little tipple. Cheers, happy Friday. And let's get practicing with the music. So like I said, the first little section we are going to be freestyling, and then I'll count us in, and then we are dancing. Here we go. Right. Just let your groove go. Nice bit of freestyle. Love it. Here we go. So you've got your leg out to the side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm, wait. Step, tap, step, tap. Step, side, side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step, side, side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. We're also looking amazing. Right, we're going to repeat it. I'll count you in. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step out, 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 out. Switch, switch, switch. Step, tap, step, tap. Step, side, side. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Step, side, side. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Also, we're doing it one more time. Here we go. Here we go. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step out, 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 out. Switch, switch, switch. Wait, step, tap, step, tap, step, side. Don't come out. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Step, side, side. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Guys, that looks awesome. That's so good. Huge congratulations. That's it. That is week 1 of disco dance.